Before this video starts, I want to give a huge shout out to everyone who's supporting my channel so far. If you haven't checked out my last video, please go check it out. Like, share, comment, subscribe. And if you can tell by the last title of the video, I'm doing a road to 1K subs. Whenever I reach 1K subs, I'm going to be doing a huge giveaway to one of you guys. And also I'm making another YouTube channel. It's going to be my gaming channel. I'm going to put all my gaming videos on that channel so I can get it off this channel. This channel is just going to be for like vlogs and skits, pranks, and stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, and also if you guys on my gaming channel, if you guys want to play with me or play online with me, anything like that, I'm down for it. I'm not going to be like these other YouTubers, and you know what I'm saying, and not interact with you guys. I'm definitely going to interact with you guys. So please, if you guys would just want to play online with me, I'm gonna make a YouTube video of it and everything like that. So if you guys want to play with me, please just comment your PSN name. It gotta be PlayStation. I don't have an Xbox. So if you comment your PSN name down below in the comments whenever I make a video up on that channel, I'm probably make a video tonight, like a live stream tonight. So if you guys want to comment your PSN name, and I can add you guys on PSN, and I will put my PSN in this video in the link below, down the link below. So just add me and I'll add you back and we can play together. So no, that sound right, but yeah. So but anyway, once again, thanks you guys for supporting me, and yeah, let's get right into the video.
Sheesh, yeah. Nigga, no, they get the memo. They get that what? Let them ride, they know the memo. Stick it. Nigga, stop playing, you know the memo. Yeah, nigga.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King J. Welcome to another video. Before this video starts, we're going to do a little quick installation to my car. We're going to be installing this right here. Some interior lights for my car, because my car, it looks plain as hell in the inside. So just want to get a little flashing, you know what I'm saying? I used to have some of these, but the last ones I had, they broke. So I ended up throwing them away. So I just ordered these right here. So we're gonna be installing these today before the video starts. Right now I'm gonna go to the car wash. I'm gonna get my car washed and then clean the inside and everything. So let's get right to it. Okay. Pull it up right now. Get the car wash? You scared? You scared? You scared? Yeah, he's scared, y'all. I got her bought it. I'm not seeing right about nothing. You scared? You right? Yeah, guys. Just getting the car washed right now. I ain't had this car washed in like about 2 weeks, and it was a little dust storm or whatever. Then after the dust storm, I just said forget it. I'm not gonna wash it because it kept raining and everything. So first time I got the car washed and everything. God damn, what loud as hell, nigga. really excited to do this. Well, anyway, I'm really excited to do this. This installation. This is going to be my first full installation on this car. I'm gonna start modding it. I think I'm gonna just keep it, pay it off, and then I'm gonna just keep it, and I'm gonna just start modding it. I'm not quite sure yet, because I do want to trade it in, get something else, get something bigger. If you don't know, I got a 2017 Sonic LS. This car is like real small in the inside, and I need more room in here. Actually, we all need more room in here. But I don't know, man. I might just pay it off, keep it, mod it, and just get something else. Or I don't know. I might end up trading in and getting something a little bit bigger. Like I like the new Blazers. I might get the new Blazer that just came out, or I might just fool around and get the new Silverado. Who knows? It's gonna be a Chevy though. I'm a Chevy's guy, so it's not gonna be nothing else but a Chevy. So after I just catch you guys later, after I get through vacuum cleaning on the car, then we're gonna hop in right into the installation. All right.
Fucking pouring it up.
Alright guys, made it back to the house with the apartments. Show you guys how it looks right now. This is how it looks right now. Just plain, nothing back there. So this installation is gonna have it right here in the front, both sides, and also in the back as well. It's a pretty simple installation. Pretty simple. It shows you on the box. See, it has the, this the one. It has different versions. It has like one just for the front lights, like if you got like a Camaro or just like a two-door coupe car. This is for like a sedan. This is actually the one that I have right now, or I think it's this one. I think it's this one because it comes with the, you can do the app thing. Got it off of Amazon for like $12.95. So it's really good price, and they're really good because they're really bright as well too. You can dim it down if you want to. But can I get a sponsor though? Shit. Sponsor though? Looks, this is everything. Lights right here. This is actually pretty cool right here. This is like for the remote. This is like the sensor right here. But this part right here, actually, this is like a microphone. So if you're playing music or whatever, it can actually, the lights will actually sync up to your music, so it actually like flash and everything. While your music is playing, you can actually like screw it in. Like if I have it like right here, I can like screw it in right here or somewhere else. Comes with the cable cord, the adapter right here. The only thing you have to do is just take this out right here, put it in, press this button, and it'll be on. Press it again, it'll be off. Actually, right now we're actually going to test it out to see if it works, see how all of them work. Just plug this both in right here, plug in, turn on, and just press the button. It's on. There it is. So as you can see, it's really is on the sync music thing right now. So as I'm talking, it actually flashes. If I dump the thing, it actually like play the lights and everything. If I put it on, you have like different kind of modes right here. My favorite is the Fade 3. If I can actually do it. That's the only thing I hate about this sensor remote thing. You gotta get it like absolutely perfect on it. And that's like the only thing I hate. Oh wait, it's not working because I gotta take that out. I forgot to take the little film thing out. That's probably why it didn't work. So that's my favorite right there. The fade changes it to all the different colors. That's actually my favorite right there. So, alright guys, I'll see you when I start installing it. Alright guys, go. I kind of like set up the camera to where you guys can see me setting it up. This is gonna be, I'm just tell you right now, this is gonna be the worst installation video that you ever seen in your life. So bunch of wires here. Got to figure out which ones goes in the front and which ones goes in the back. Normally the ones with the shorter screens will go in the front, like this one right here has the shorter screen. So we just gonna put this one on this side, just throw that over there. This one has the other shorter screen right here. So we're just gonna do this right here. Put that right there right now. And the ones with the longer screen, like this one has the longer screen. This one actually goes in the back. Put this one right there. This one back. Alright, now so hey, I'm telling you, this car is small as hell. I can't much do this right. I guess you're gonna just pop these little panels off so that we can hide the wires. said, just take the red. It's red. Like I said, just take the red strip off. Actually, let me try to do that. Let me hide the wires first. Actually can come to here. So I just took this panel off right here. This panel off. Then what we're just gonna do, just gonna slide it. Alright guys, so I didn't record it, but here's the finished product right here. It's actually showing pretty good in the daytime. I didn't record me installing them, but as you can see, it's right there. It's sitting on this little pump thing. I got them sitting forward this way so it can actually shine right here and hit this little back part right here, so it can light up the whole floor, back of the floor. But yeah, I didn't install. I didn't show that how I'd install it because there's really no way that I can like show you where I can like run the wires at. So what I did was I just ran the wires underneath through the seats right here. Because I just set them like, get them like right here underneath the seats. Because like I said, it's the Sonics. They really don't have like a center console to where like you can just tuck the wires underneath. So, and I ran the back wire underneath this thing right here. Then ran it through underneath the seat. Then I just sticked it onto the same pump thing as the driver's side too as well. So here's the finished product in the back, and here's the product in the front. Thank you guys for tuning in and watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, please subscribe to my channel. Why not? Help a boy out, and also turn on post notifications. Also, so you never miss a video from me. I have a lot of content on the way. Please just stay tuned. Just stick with me. I promise you, we're gonna be one of the #1 YouTube channels in the world. Also, I'm gonna give out details about the giveaway and how to enter the contest, and also what the giveaway is gonna be too as well. So only reason why I'm whispering right now because everybody's sleeping. It's like 3-something in the morning right now. So once again, thank you guys. I really appreciate you guys' support and everything for me. The only thing I can say is just road to 1K subs, man. Let's get it. Let's go.